Hello and welcome back, friends. It's Cheyenne, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Fujifilm Instax Mini 7 Plus. If you're unfamiliar, Instax is a brand of instant cameras that produce film prints shortly after taking the photo. Here is just a quick overview of the packaging, and as you can see, I chose to get mine in the color Seafoam Green, but they do come in a variety of other colors including lavender, coral, light pink, and light blue. And I do believe they are officially only sold at Walmart. I purchased the camera film bundle for $59 as well as an additional dual pack of film for $13.38, and my total plus tax came to $78.86. And so the camera comes with 4 AA batteries, a matching wrist strap, a 10-pack of the Fujifilm Instant Color film, as well as some general guidelines and specifications. Speaking of which, it's important to note that once you load the film into the camera, you should not remove the back cover until you have used all of the film. Otherwise, you'll expose the film and some of your pictures will come out white. So here on the actual camera, you can see the battery compartment on the side. All you have to do is slide it down and it'll open right up for you, and you will need all 4 batteries in order to operate the camera. Then once you flip it over, there's a little display window in the bottom right corner, and it just shows you how much film you have left. Then there's the viewfinder so you can see what you're taking photos of, and then there's this back panel that opens up and you put the film in here. Here at the very top is just where the prints come out. So let's go ahead and load in the film, and once you open the package, you'll see that one side of the film has 2 smaller rectangular depressions with a symbol indicating that you should not press down. So this is going to be the side that is facing outwards when you load it into the camera. Then when you flip it over, there's a much larger rectangular area with that same symbol, and this is going to be the side that will be facing inside the camera. So we're going to go ahead and open up that back panel, then we can grab our film and just go ahead and place it so that those 2 smaller rectangular depressions are facing outward as shown here. And as you can see on the back slot, there are 2 pointed areas that will push into those rectangles when you close that panel. Next, we just need to toss our batteries in there and make sure that you put the deepest batteries on top of the plastic slips so that it's easier to pull them out when you need to replace them. To turn on the camera, all you have to do is pull the lens out, then an orange light will come on. When you hit the shutter button for the first time, there won't be an actual photo, but instead the black film cover will be ejected. But after that, you can start taking pictures. There is a brightness adjustment dial with an option for indoors or dark settings, an option for cloudy or shady settings, one for fair or bright conditions, and then lastly one for extremely bright, clear conditions. And then lastly, I am just taking the camera strap and attaching that to the side of the camera. Basically, you're just going to loop it through that plastic part and loop it in on itself. Then you just secure it by pulling it tight over that little knob. Now that we're finished with all of the setup, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the first shots that I took. So here are some shots that I took. I'm definitely still learning how to use the camera, but I took a picture of me and my boyfriend, so there's that, and then I also took a picture of my dog JP, super cute, and then there's also a picture of me with fresh curly hair, and then lastly a picture of the record player corner in my bedroom. So that pretty much concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, be sure to drop them down below. Thanks, bye!